There's a fire inside that's been screaming, and it feels like the walls around you are closing in. The world told you you're free, but freedom never came without chains. Chains made of rules, comfort, and empty promises. You see it every day. Stagnation creeping into everything you care about, in business, in society, in your own life. The frustration is real. The anger pulsing from how things stay stuck, how potential rots, because people are more afraid to break molds than to break through. The system isn't broken. It's designed to keep you exactly where you are. It's built to cage ambition, to pacify the fighters, to silence the dreamers. And if you're watching this, it's because you're not ready to accept that fate. Here's the brutal truth nobody will tell you. Stagnation isn't just a problem of the world out there. It's inside all of us, in the way we settle, the way we limit ourselves by what's comfortable or expected. The world is lazy, and if you want to stop spinning wheels, you have to become obsessed with shattering your own limits. This isn't about small improvements or following advice like it's gospel. It's about demolishing who you believe you are and building someone new every single day, over and over again. This is what self-overcoming looks like. It's the brutal, relentless act of saying no more. No more settling. No more excuses. No more waiting for external forces to change your life. You are the battlefield. You are the revolution. Listen closely. You aren't missing talent or wisdom. That's the lie sold to you. You're held back by inertia, fear, by belonging to worlds that don't demand more than mediocre compliance. The comfort zone is a prison, disguised as safety. If you can feel the weight of stagnation pressing, that means your potential is screaming to be unleashed. But here is what most don't get. They try to outrun their problems by relocation, rebranding, or new ventures. Waste. The real escape isn't outside, it's within. Self-overcoming means attacking every excuse, every thought that says, I can't, every inherited limitation. It's reinventing your character, your mindset, your values, and aligning them to your highest vision. It is radical autonomy, being the architect of your own existence, not a prisoner to scripts handed down by society, history, or systems. Now, here's the edge few dare to take. This isn't a gentle journey. It's a war with yourself, where you don't get to rest until you outgrow every version of weakness. Strip away comfort like it's poison. Challenge every inherited belief and system that tells you how to think, how to act, what to want. The world built itself on illusions, flags, identities, truths, all designed to keep people in boxes. Break those boxes. Reject the roles handed to you. You're not here to carry the baggage of the past. You're here to become something new, something the stagnant fear. Become so sharp, so relentless, that stagnation can't touch you. What does this look like in real terms? Stop consuming noise that doesn't add fuel to your fire. Stop networking with people who drain your energy and reinforce safe mediocrity. Instead, hunt for those rare sparks, founders, visionaries, builders, who lash out against the comfortable and ignite change. Build your circle not on convenience or identity, but on ironclad synergy and shared hunger for growth. With these few, create an autonomous network that doesn't just talk, but acts, strategizes, fights, and builds together. This is the modern revolution, not of nations or ideologies, but of individuals bonded by purpose, by becoming more. Break your beliefs about what you can be. Rewrite your values each day with ruthless clarity. Absolute freedom means choosing not to live by the rules others write. It means creating your own code and holding yourself accountable to it relentlessly. Don't worship freedom as a concept. Turn it into results. Create breakthroughs, launch ideas, build ventures that don't just challenge the status quo, but annihilate it. Earn your value daily. Never rest on yesterday's achievements. Power and trust are currency, but the only way to keep them is to constantly outrun them. This is meritocracy on steroids, where ability, not past or privilege, shapes your world. You're not tied to a place, a flag, a tribe. Your identity is dynamic, fluid, chosen by your vision, not your birth. This means embracing diversity, not as a buzzword, but as a lifeline to survive the storms of stagnation. Surround yourself with people who challenge every angle of your thinking so you don't harden into complacency. Recognize that transcending boundaries, geographic, ideological, mental, is essential. Your mission is global, your impact potentially cosmic. This is capitalism reimagined, not a system to exploit and hoard, but a tool to transform. Use capital as weapon and shield to break barriers, fund the impossible, and challenge the comfortable. Invest in ideas and people who refuse to accept decay, who see beyond profit to legacy. Don't be the keeper of rusted systems, be the spark that melts and reshapes. If you feel that itching tension inside, the one that roars in silence, the unbearable pressure that whispers you were meant for more, don't ignore it. That is the call to arms. This path isn't for the comfortable. It isn't for the critics who scoff at the rare few daring enough to leap. For the casual observer, content with the slow death of potential. This is for the warriors of becoming, for those who will burn the maps of illusion and chart new territories, for those who refuse to freeze in place while the world decays around them. Here and now decide, will stagnation own you, or will you become its nightmare? Will you allow life to process you into forgettable mediocrity, or will you fight tooth and nail to tear down every wall that holds you back? Self-overcoming is the weapon, your daily savage discipline to go beyond the limits you swore defined you. It is the only real answer to human stagnation. Embrace it unflinchingly. Build yourself harder, fiercer, freer. Connect with few, but the fiercest. Reject the world's illusions with brutal clarity. Live not by permit, but by choice. The future doesn't belong to the comfortable. It belongs to the relentless few who choose to become impossible. This is the moment. Ignite the fire, demolish your limits, and break free. The world lies to keep you small. Become the one who shatters every lie.